Handle a chisel, mastering a crucial tool in woodworking. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, handle a chisel. This is a common expression in woodworking, and understanding it can be quite useful not just in a workshop, but in learning English too. So, let's dive in and carve out the meaning of this phrase. A chisel is a hand tool used in woodworking, metalwork, and stonemasonry. It consists of a blade with a sharp edge at one end and a handle at the other. Chisels are used for carving, shaping, and cutting materials. Understanding the tool itself is the first step in grasping the phrase, handle a chisel. In the most direct sense, to handle a chisel means to physically hold and use this tool. It involves skills like holding it at the right angle, applying the correct amount of pressure, and moving it in precise ways to shape the material. This is a foundational skill in many crafts and requires both strength and delicacy. Beyond its literal meaning, handle a chisel can also be used metaphorically. In this context, it implies having control or mastery over a skill. For instance, saying someone handles a chisel well can mean they are adept at a particular task, not necessarily related to woodworking. It's about precision, skill, and finesse in any field. Let's look at some examples. In woodworking, she handles a chisel with incredible precision, creating intricate designs. In a metaphorical sense, he handles the chisel of negotiation with ease, always getting favorable outcomes. That's all for today's lesson on handle a chisel. We hope this video has carved out a clear understanding of this phrase for you, both in its literal and metaphorical uses. Remember, language is a tool just like a chisel, and mastering it requires practice and skill. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.